Do you think that friends are obligated to give friends gifts for Christmas?
Every gift that I've ever gotten, I've been so thankful for it. There is no obligation to give me anything. As we say in patois, me not give you nothing for put on, so me can't ask you for nothing.
Facts.
You know those small like pictures your students would draw for you with tonil and hearts or whatever, and they would draw a picture for you. They fill my heart when they give me these small things.
Teacher, you're designed
Honestly,
to be
you
a
know?
teacher, bro. Like I literally toss those in the trash. not on the school compound. I would reach home and then I look at them. Oh, thank you. All right, let's kick it off this week with some Christmas confessions. Confesiones.
Confessions. I love confessions.
You love confession. I feel like Christmas is the perfect time people want to get things off their chest, mainly because the New Year is coming and they don't want to go into the New Year with it. But I'm gonna talk about some Christmas confessions.
Yeah, nobody wants to start the new year with something on their chest.
Stuff weighing on them.
I know. To be light.
I know the feeling as well. You want to start the New Year fresh. Start anew.
New energy.
Yeah, but you know what I haven't seen on the internet is yet? No one is saying 2024 is for them. I think they got the memo. 2023 didn't happen.
It didn't happen.
What's going to make 2024 better? But for us, the Oddman podcast will be a lot better in 2024.
Definitely.
Look out for it. So, first confession. I fucking hate Christmas. Yes, I'm starting with a Grinch one.
Wow.
If you came here just to see good Christmas vibes, log off right now.
Please.
But let's see. Seriously, fuck this holiday. I have to hang out with my family when there's so much more productive stuff I could be doing. And everyone is asking me how I'm doing. And I'm doing fucking terrible. And I don't want to tell anyone. I feel like shit. And I don't want their gifts. I want to be fucking alone.
Oh, God. That sounds like an introvert.
Have you been there before?
No. But also, yes. There's sometimes I just want to be alone. I don't want to have to deal with anybody. I just want to be in my own zone, you know? But Christmas time is a time where I believe you have to spend the time with the family because the family... That's one of the only times of the year that the family will actually get to come together.
Yeah, but it's one of those things where do you want to be doing that all the time? Like there's so much pressure. I can see this person's point of view. Yeah, there's so much pressure to be around your family around Christmas time, to be happy, to be telling good stories, how your year was. If you're having a shit year and you go to a family dinner and they're asked, "What have you been up to this year?" Immediately that ruins the entire dinner for you because you don't want to be talking about that.
Yeah, you don't want to be talking about the bad stuff that's been happening in your life throughout the year, whatever, or your problems, you know?
Yeah.
And family, they find a way to dig into your...
And they pry.
Dig in and pry. They do it. They do.
If you don't show up with a girl,
they say, huh?
You're still single. You're still single.
Or they might be thinking you went the other way now.
Pause. Pause. No, but you know, that's a fact. I think for everyone, if you are the one in your family that is continuously single, most of them start thinking that you flip the coin.
There's always that uncle or that auntie or grandma who might be thinking that you flip the coin.
Yeah, and the problem is you just can't find the right one.
Because she wants grandkids.
They all want grandkids. And that's the next thing. Like, who wants to talk about that? When I spend Christmas with my family, all I want to do is laugh, play some games, eat some good food, listen music. Don't ask me how my life has been. Yeah. Don't ask me about my job unless my job is going excellent. But you can ask me about the podcast because we're getting there. We're getting there. All right.
Yeah, you just want to have fun during these times, not necessarily talking about your business, you know?
Exactly. Stressful things. This is family time where you want to unwind. You don't want to share the burden. You don't want to bring down the happiness. Everyone should be happy, jolly, holly.
Yeah.
Jingle bell times.
Jingle bell time.
Oh yeah, I like your sweater, by the way. I like your sweater.
Thank you.
Looking good.
It has a small pocket here, yeah.
For all the gifts. For all the gifts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like we got the memo today.
We did for this
Even
Christmas special.
even though we were talking about some bad Christmas confessions and some worst gifts you've ever received and
Ooh.
some moral dilemmas,
Get ready.
the fact is, we're still jolly at heart.
Always.
We're still here.
I'm always jolly.
You know what? I'm not even gonna pause that one. Not even gonna pause that one. But everyone's always there. Okay, next confession. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. All right. I'm starving myself so I can get my girlfriend a Christmas gift.
Oh, shit.
I don't even want to read more of this. Okay.
Ooh.
I'm having a rough time
Yeah.
getting any freelance projects, and now my everyday money or the money that I get from my parents for food every day. Considering that Christmas is coming, I'm planning on getting my girlfriend a nice and cute painting with her favorite band and a cute book with reasons on why I love her.
Aw.
I made the math, so now I have to stop eating for the following 15 days in order to afford the gifts.
Oh, God.
It's not that bad, actually. Sometimes my classmates give me sandwiches. To be honest, I don't even feel sick or anything. I'm just thinking about her happiness because I know she wants that painting so badly. Stay positive, brothers.
Oh, stay positive, brothers. Wow. This is like this guy. He's dedicated. He loves his girlfriend. I hope she's worth it. He loves his girl.
You know what? I have a different opinion on this. If you are this guy and you happen to come across this podcast, I have a piece of advice for you.
Give him.
Eat your food. Eat the food. If this girl truly loves you, bro. If she truly loves you, she wants you to be happy and healthy.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be about the gifts that that you get her.
That's
Especially a painting of a band. She'd be like, "Oh, I wish I was there with Nickelback. I wish I was there with one of the Backstreet Boys."
But you know, another angle to this might be that what if they're going through a rough time, or she's going through a rough time, and she really needs this gift to help to start to boost her morale, to turn over.
I don't think.
What do you think?
I don't think a painting. Well, art is powerful.
No,
but I don't think a painting of a band. And what else was he giving her?
Yeah.
He was giving her a cute book with reasons why he loves her. Okay, cute book with reasons why you love her.
So she always remembers that I love her.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
to not eat,
Yeah, that part is kind of crazy.
baby. I haven't eaten in 15 days. That's how much I love you. I love you more than food.
I love you more than food.
I don't think the human can go without food for 15 days.
It can.
15 days. Well, he's getting sandwiches from his friends.
Yeah.
You know what? If I have a son and I'm giving him lunch money and he tells me to do this, we're having problems.
Yeah, definitely problems. Come on, why? No,
Hold on,
eat,
wait.
son, eat.
I'm gonna change my mind because when I was in high school, I would save my lunch money so I could go out with girls. I do.
Well, then David, what's the difference?
The difference is I wasn't starving myself because I know I would have a big breakfast at home, get the lunch money, and save the lunch money. School was until 2, so if I have a big breakfast at like 6 a.m. and I take a bread sandwich or something to school, I would take a sandwich from home.
Yeah.
Sounds like this guy's in boarding school or some shit. I would take a sandwich in my bag and have that sandwich at school and save the money so I can go out on the weekend with a girl.
Yeah.
But I would never starve myself to the point where I'm having to ask my friends for pieces of sandwiches.
No, I don't think. Yeah. I get what you mean.
Maybe.
But what you were doing when you were younger is what I do these days. It's called intermittent fasting.
Intermittent fasting.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what's funny? Back then it was looked down on, and now people are doing the
and now people are doing it.
I actually do it. I think that's one of the things I want to get back into in January. I need to get back on my fitness. I need to get back on I need to get back on it, bro. Like,
you getting a belly?
Getting
It's there.
Santa, getting a belly. The belly has been there. All right, that is my resolution for the new year. Get back into the gym, eating healthier, cutting out some drinking and stuff like that.
Yeah, I will keep you to it.
All right, hold me accountable.
I'll expose him if he's not keeping to it. Trust me.
Hold me accountable. I need to drop some weight in the new year. I need to drop like I said 3 to 5 kilos, put on some muscle. I'll be happy.
Yeah. Hit the gym.
I do go to the gym. It's just that I don't eat right and I drink.
Come on. You have to be eating right if you go to the gym.
Yeah, that's the thing. You can't out train a bad diet, and that's my problem.
That's true.
That's my problem. Okay, next one.
Next one.
Okay, so we just did one for guy starving himself for his girlfriend.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Kids, don't do that at home. Next one. What should I get my boyfriend of 26 for Christmas?
Someone's asking.
This is always a good one because girls always get shitty gifts to their guys.
I won't say no, but I won't say yes either.
Sometimes they'll get you stuff. They'll actually listen and get you something that you like.
If they know you, they will get you something that you like.
It's not even a matter of they know you. They get you stuff they think you like that they like.
Yeah, girls tend to do that. Yeah. But the thing is, as men, we're simple.
Easy.
We're like, I think I'm the easiest person to get a gift for.
No, you're not.
I'm not?
No, okay.
Really?
Okay, what's on your Christmas list?
I don't have a Christmas list.
Okay.
But if you know me, you know I'm a simple guy.
Okay. What would you want? Simple guy.
I'm
you want a book?
I'm a reader. You know, I like to be relaxed. I like incense, things like this. I like tea.
Okay.
You know, I like music.
Okay, broski.
So if you're thinking about getting me a gift, something around that line, you know.
Okay.
And
in the birthday is coming up.
Yes, my birthday is coming up. And another thing I don't want anybody to do is to give me a 2-in-1.
What do you mean a 2-in-1?
Don't give me a gift and then tell me, hey, this is for your Christmas and your birthday.
It's your
Don't
fault.
do that.
It's your fault.
Please.
You chose to be born close to Christmas.
My fault?
Your fault. You should have come another day.
If you value me as a friend and as a person, don't give me one gift.
Oh, give it 2 gifts. Simple guy wants 2 gifts.
No. Like, instead of spending, for example, you plan to spend 100 euros on me, spend 50 for both.
Okay. So
instead of giving me one big gift and then say, hey, this is for you, for your birthday, for your Christmas.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas, happy birthday in one.
Yeah. Guess what? I'm not getting you any Christmas gift.
Well,
I'm not getting any of my friends any Christmas gift because if I get one a gift, I have to give a lot of people a gift.
That's true. Yeah.
Don't have the money for it. Not yet.
That's true.
Until the podcast blows up, then we can talk about it.
Yeah, we can
talk about it.
Yeah.
All right, back to the confession. Oh my God.
Let's hear some juicy
What should I
ones.
get my boyfriend for Christmas? I'm in need of help. I'm wanting to get my boyfriend something other than the usual clothes or video games for Christmas, but I have no ideas at all. I've been stressing about this for a while. Any thoughts? Probably looking to spending 150. That's a good budget.
That's a good budget, yeah.
That's a good budget.
Even though, to be honest, I wouldn't tell anybody to spend $150 on me. I think for me that's too much.
It depends on their financial capacity. If you can afford it, you can afford it.
No, but even if you can,
I
don't think anybody should be spending 150 on me.
I would spend 150 on you.
I know you wouldn't.
I would. If I had the money, I would buy you something. Yes, I would buy you something for 150.
Well.
I swear, bro. I would buy it for you. I would buy gifts for my friends for 150 if I could, for family, if I could afford it.
Well, if you could, yeah.
But buying 150, if I buy you a gift for 150 and then I give Tom a candy and then I give Mary a lollipop, there'd be like 15 cents, 150. So then you have to divide it. So I can't do 10 gifts of 150.
Yeah. And the thing is about that, I don't know, I'm just this way. I wouldn't want somebody to spend $150 on me, but I would buy a gift for somebody worth $100.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm just a simple guy, you know. I've always been like this.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't complain for anything. I don't ask for too much.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay, but let's help this girl out. So her confession is she has 150. She doesn't want to get him video game and clothes for a 26-year-old boyfriend. Like, I think she's overthinking this. Like, video games, you can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong.
There's always gonna be the newest FIFA, the newest Call of Duty, the newest Spider-Man, whatever is out there.
Yeah.
Get him the video game. Even if he gets the same thing every year, now he has the expectation set that he'll be getting video games and clothes, so he can count on you for that. The worst thing you can possibly do is get him something outside of what he's used to. And now he's like, fuck, I didn't buy the new FIFA because I thought my girlfriend was just going to get me that for Christmas. And over the Christmas break, you want to be playing a new video game. That's like the ritual for most guys. We start a new video game every Christmas. Not necessarily going to finish it, but we have to play it.
Yeah.
So get him the video game. If you want to get something else, you should have been listening all year.
Yeah, that's that too. I don't think that person has been listening to their boyfriend.
You should have been listening. Like it's 1 year.
Or she could maybe ask his friends, you know, what does Frank like? What has Frank been talking to you guys about like all year?
Exactly.
You know? That works too.
I feel like that's a good way to go about it. Just like listen, because
always listen. Very important to listen to your partner.
No need to brag, but I think I give great gifts because my issue when I'm giving a gift is if I don't talk to you a lot. Because if I'm dating a girl, chances are she's gonna send me a picture. Oh, what do you think of this? We're gonna be talking, and she's gonna say, "Shit." Let's say, "Oh, that cologne smells so good, but it's so expensive."
Yeah,
and immediately
she just throws it in like that.
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna give you the cheat code now. I'm gonna give you the cheat code. Whenever a girl says something is too expensive or it smells good, there you go. That's it. There's no rocket science. All you do, create notes, put your name phone, there, and then you put gift ideas. Not necessarily that you're gonna be able to afford every, but I'm pretty sure she's gonna tell you, oh, I like that top. Oh, I need to get my nails done or something like that. It's a cheat code. Put it in your phone. Keep a mental record of it if you can, if you remember. But having it in your phone in the notes is the best way to go about it. Cheat code.
That's a cheat code, yeah. But more importantly, listen to your partner.
Yeah, listen.
Very, very, very important. Listen to your partner.
I think, and we need to talk about the listening to the partner is so important.
Yeah.
Because that's why I say girls give horrible gifts. Because for me, I hate receiving gifts, especially gifts that I just don't really want or feel like it's that important to me. To be honest, like most of the gifts I want are expensive, and I don't expect people to buy those for me. But like for right now, guys, if we need some podcast equipment,
for real, we'd be thankful. We'd be thankful. Yeah.
I don't think Santa will be putting that in our stockings because
Santa.
Maybe one of us has been good this year, but I know one of us hasn't been good at all. All right, but let's get some good gifts this year, people.
I hope so. Yeah.
Listen to your partners and let's see what we can come up with. And if you don't have the money to buy a gift, sometimes just doing something special is enough.
Or spending time,
doing something different. Like I feel like you can organize an activity that around Christmas that makes it better. Like, let's say you don't have the money, do a little Christmas dinner or something. Take her out.
Or Christmas lunch.
Set up the apartment a certain way. Get those corny ass matching pajamas.
I hate those.
You hate? You know what?
I hate those.
I'm not gonna hate on them because deep down I'm like, I wish I was them.
No, I'm not hating on the happiness, but the sweaters and the pajamas, I don't know.
It's one day, bro. It's not that much of a big. It's cheesy.
And that's my problem. It's only for one day.
Yeah, what is a pajama? Like you're gonna use it another day.
No, but you just said for one day.
Yeah,
Oh, you mean like to take like pictures and have memories? Well,
exactly. And if it makes your girl happy, go for it. But it's cheesy as fuck. I have to really love her to do that. I feel that's what it comes down to. You see me?
Yeah. Guys, we're really sorry to inform you that after this Christmas special, we've decided not to continue the Yardman podcast.
It's just been too much.
It's been too much for us.
We're getting too much love It's
too much love.
Can't handle it. And
We can't handle it, and we don't think we can. We can't manage it. We've decided that's it. We throw in the towel. We won't be coming back.
it's not fair to the other podcasts. Like,
Yeah,
if we're gonna take over the world, it's not fair. I feel like
not.
everyone needs a chance.
Everyone needs a chance. So, this is the last episode we'll be doing, guys. We're very sorry. We're really, really sorry. It was nice to have you guys watching our episodes. Enjoy this last one because it will be the last.
Fuck.
Sorry.
Fuck that, bro. We gotta continue. Fuck that. Fuck that. I'm enjoying this too.
Hey, of course.
I'm enjoying it. You know what? Fuck that. We'll be back here in the new year.
Of course, we've definitely coming back.
This is the last one for the December. We have what? This will be episode 6 or 7, I think.
Yeah.
Episode
like
6.
that. Yeah.
And thank everyone for the support so far.
Yeah, we've been getting some good support, good reviews.
For a podcast that's just been around 28 days.
28 days.
Less than a month. We're getting the subscribers up. And I think at this point I want to thank our friends, because I feel like most of our subscribers so far has been family and friends showing us a lot of support. They've been showing us a lot of love, yeah. And I appreciate that. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for everyone that reshares and subscribes and talks to anyone and spread the word. I think word of mouth for us, it'll be the main thing. So I really appreciate that.
We really do.
Sometimes I think this is one way to see exactly how many friends you do have, because you can see any friend of mine that has liked or subscribed, and I think I'm like, wow, you don't have to do this. You it's your time, and you still take the time to do it. And thank you all, every single one of you. We do. We really thank you. We appreciate you. Yeah, even if you don't watch one episode or you just listen to this episode, if you listen any at all, just one share, one like. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. It keeps us going, and to know, because we could have started and all our friends could have said, fuck them. They shouldn't be starting a podcast. Yeah. We didn't get that. We didn't get that, no. We didn't get the negativity. Like, all we've been getting is just some positive feedback saying, keep going, guys. We do have a lot to improve on. And that positive feedback and the support from our friends, it keeps me wanting to record, keeps me enjoying it. Yeah. And that's one of the main things. I don't want this to become another job for me. I do love to work, but I love to sit here and just have a conversation. Just have a conversation, yeah, and honestly. Talk to you. And because of that, shout outs to all our friends, all our subscribers. Definitely. Thank you so much. Thank you. And Merry Christmas to you all. Merry Christmas. Why are we talking like we're ending the show? Yeah, we're just beginning. We're just beginning. But we had to put that in early just in case you don't make it through the rest of the video. So thank you so much. Just so you guys know. Yeah. We appreciate you so much. Thank you. Thank you. The Yardman Podcast thanks you a lot. All right. So this week's moral dilemma. You saw it? Surprise me, the vein. I'm pretending not to see it. Okay. So all right, we're gonna do the moral dilemma. Yeah. And then we're gonna do worst gifts you received, Yardman news, blah blah blah, yada yada. The moral dilemma for this week was, you know what? I don't want to fuck it up. Okay. Your friend tells you that they committed a crime. They explain that they're having trouble sleeping at night and feel you are the only one they can trust with their confession. A few days later, you read in the paper that someone has been arrested for your friend's crime. Do you go to the police and tell them what you know, encourage your friend to confess, or say nothing? Tonil, what do you do? So I have the options of going to the police. Yep. Snitching. Nah. Say nothing. No, so now I have two options. That option is out. Okay. The next ones are say nothing to my friend, or try to get my friend to confess. Right? Exactly. What am I doing? Do you guys know Pinocchio? You know Pinocchio? Oh, this Pinocchio. What does Pinocchio have to do with this, bro? Pinocchio. I'm the, what's this guy called as I was on his shoulder? Jimmy the Cricket. I'm Jimmy the Cricket. You're the conscience. I'd be his conscience. I'd say to my friend, my brother, what you have done,
I think you really need to reconsider. Think about it. Really think about it. And don't let this person that didn't do the crime do the time.
Fair. That's the ethical thing to do.
I won't be the one to go to the police. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry.
I think I would say nothing.
You'd say nothing?
I'll say nothing. I'd say nothing.
Why?
Like,
What's your reason? What's your reason?
I think it also depends on the crime.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, like, I don't hold the person in behind bars or anything. This is my friend. They decided to trust me, and I'll become like a therapist.
Yeah.
I can't reveal that information. Like, all right, if you go to your therapist and you tell them that you've committed a crime, I don't think they are allowed to.
No, legally,
legally, or a priest or something like that. You're not legally, but they are. If my friend is gonna commit the crime again and again, then I would be like, bro, you need to stop this shit. Encourage him to come forward. But if he commits the crime again, that means the person behind bars will definitely be released, because if the crime is still being committed and he's behind bars, then they will know it's someone else. True. But I don't think I would ever go to the police.
No, that's why I said I only have two options now.
Two options. I would tell him, do what he thinks is right, or do what she thinks is right.
But would that sit well with you as the person? Would that sit well with you as a person, knowing that your friend did something that would like cause harm to somebody else's friend, maybe?
Yeah, exactly. It's like it's a moral dilemma. Like, it's not like there's a good decision. A lot of people would say the best decision is to tell the police. That person would be encourage your friend. But even if I encourage my friend, doesn't necessarily mean that he will actually do it anyway.
That's true too. I'd let his conscience be his guide.
Let his conscience be his guide. So,
but I'd definitely be Jimmy the Cricket, telling him, I don't think what you did was good. I think you need to consider.
Does it depend on the crime for you?
But if somebody goes to jail for it, it would mean that it's a serious crime.
Yeah, it's a serious crime, but there are different levels. Let's say someone stole something from a supermarket. Would you...
Supermarket? That's nothing. That's nothing.
Yeah, but then someone's doing time for it. Someone's doing a couple of months for it.
Well, yeah, I forgot.
So for me, I think it will be hard for me to tell my friend to give himself up, cause I know if I was in the position, especially if I made a mistake and I come to you and say, Tony, I was driving one night,
Don't say it. Please don't say
it. I was driving one night.
Don't say it, please, David.
And there was a dog or a person in the road, and I decided to save the dog and hit the person. And I was so scared that I just kept on driving, bro. I don't know if they're alive. I don't know what to do. But I think I got away with it. Wow. It's like, I wouldn't want you to go to the police. I would want me to come to that decision. I would like you to say, hey, what are you going to do about this? The right thing is to go forward. But definitely. I support whatever decision you make.
But, there's I always say, there's a line between, and with friendships, we tend to cross this line a lot. Being a good friend and being a good person, sometimes it's not on the same side.
I get what you're saying. That's facts.
Being a good person might only be being a good person to your friend.
True.
Or in your world, But being a good person in general, sometimes you might, go over that line.
Yeah.
If you see what I mean.
To be honest, like, I respect people that at the end of the day, their decision is to be there to be the good person. Doesn't matter if it's your friend or family, you're gonna be able to make a decision that you feel like is the best decision ethically. Whereas I feel like I would always make the decision that benefits my friend or family or in their best interest, not necessarily.
So going back to this line with this situation, do you think you're on the side of being a good person or just being a good friend?
I said that's a blurred line. So
a very blurred line.
But I would rather say that I'm a good friend.
Yeah.
Because At the end of the day, your friends and your family, they depend on you.
They do.
This stranger that I've not met, obviously they have friends and family, but I would sleep better at night knowing my friend is out. And I think if I'm not able to put a face or any emotions towards a other person in prison, then it's easier for me. I can sleep better at night. Whereas if I was to snitch on my friend and he gets arrested, he loses his family, he loses everything. I feel like I've lost something there, you know?
I see you. I see what you mean. We just have to be careful.
Yeah.
As human beings when we, cross this line of being a good person.
And a good friend.
And a good friend, be careful.
It's a thin line. It's
a very, 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 very thin line. Yeah, very thin line.
But I would like to think I'm a good person and a good friend at the end of the day. I would definitely love to be considered a good person. Yes, not the best person, but at least society would be better if there were more people like me. Look at me. Self-praise. Self-praise is no recommendation.
Self-praise is no recommendation, my friend.
Self-praise is no recommendation. Okay. All right. Speaking of being a good person, do you think that friends are obligated to give friends gifts for Christmas?
For me, there is no obligation to give me anything. Because in Jamaica, as we say, in Patois, me not give you nothing for put on, so me can't ask you for nothing.
Facts.
So I didn't give you anything. I didn't give you anything to put down.
Yeah.
Right? So I can't ask you for anything, honestly. I'm just that kind of person, I don't obligate anybody to give me any gift. Any gift that I receive, I take it with gratitude. Even, for example, if it's people always laugh at me. Even those, those small like pictures your students would draw for you with Tonil and hearts or whatever, and they would draw a picture for you. I take them and trust me, they fill my heart when they give me these small things.
Teacher, you're designed honestly, to be a teacher, bro. Like teaching suits you, because I literally toss those in the trash. I literally toss those in the trash. Like not on the school compound. I would reach home and I look at them. Oh, thank you. I get more next year. Where am I gonna put them?
Well, yeah. I'm just that kind of person. I don't know. Every gift that I've ever gotten, I've been so thankful for it. And it comes with a downside. Because of that, I'm a hoarder.
Oh my! I'm a bit of a hoarder too, but not with paper.
But the thing with me is that the gift that I got from somebody, I like to look on it and say, I remember when Davane gave me this mouse.
Okay.
I remember when Davane gave me this drawing.
Okay.
And I can think back on the memory. It's almost like taking a picture for me.
I get what you're saying, but all right.
Yeah.
What was the worst gift you've ever received?
Me?
Yeah.
It's hard for me to think about that, honestly. Because as I said, I'm grateful for every gift. I don't see a gift as something bad. Honestly.
So you've never received a bad gift?
I don't think so. Nothing comes to my mind right now.
All right.
I don't think so.
Well, I have a thread of what are some of the worst Christmas gifts people
Let's hear some. I have some for you too.
All right. What's the worst thing you've received for Christmas? A dish towel. I was 8.
A dish towel? What? A dish towel at 8? Are you saying that it's time for you to start cleaning?
Time for chores. You're old enough now. What's the worst thing you've received for Christmas? When I was 10 years old, my grandparents gave me an unwrapped suitcase for Christmas. In the interest of convenience, they used that suitcase for the wrapped presents for my sisters. That is devastating. You get the water lip. That is devastating. Okay.
That's bad. That is bad, yeah.
Okay, next one. What's the worst thing you've received for Christmas? The year I gave my ex-husband a Rolex watch, he gave me a 1999 Walmart blender. We already had 3 blenders.
Oh, no. What a husband like that.
No, I know why he's an ex-husband.
Yeah.
Why he's an ex-husband. Come on, bro.
Oh, God.
I think
She has 3.
I think they're just good gift givers and bad gift givers in this world.
Yeah,
How
yeah,
do you
yeah.
feel Christmas Day? You open a box and your wife gets you a Rolex. She took time. She's like, he needs a Rolex. This is
My
how
mom,
I see
yeah.
you. They're in a position, where she can buy him a Rolex. That means
Let's hope.
come on, she can buy him a Rolex.
Yeah.
And he buys her a $20 blender. Come on. If he had wrote her a poem or something, I think that would be a better trade.
That would be a better gift, yeah.
That would be a better gift instead of giving her another blender. Not even a magic bullet.
Or sing for her.
Yeah, not even a
Yeah.
magic bullet. A $20 blender.
$20 blender.
And they
And she
already
has-
have 3.
Ooh. No.
He's trying to tell her something.
He's not listening. Remember we said earlier about listening to your partner? He's not listening. That
Listen
guy's
to
not
your
listening.
Listen,
How did he get to marriage if he isn't listening?
you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised because when we're with people and we love them, we make excuses for them all the time.
Yeah, true.
And luckily, she didn't make more excuses.
Yeah.
And she kicked into the curve. But I don't think a material reason. But to get someone a Rolex and they give you a blender, that's insulting.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the worst thing you've received for Christmas? A comic book that was laying around the house for several months, which I read twice in this period. I didn't know it was supposed to be my surprise present. Oh, we didn't get Johnny anything for Christmas. Oh, a comic book. He loves comic books. Here you go.
Oh God. It's called a recycled gift.
Definitely a recycled gift.
Let me give you one. All right, so this person says, what's the worst gift you've ever received for Christmas? An unwrapped package. No, sorry. The person unwrapped the package only to discover it was already a half-opened, half-eaten bag of candy.
Oh, Lord.
Apparently my relatives wanted to make sure it tastes good before giving it to us.
They're looking out for you, bro. They're looking out for you.
It didn't taste good.
All that backwash, all that backwash, and it didn't taste good, and they still gave it to
They
you.
still gave it to you. Wow.
That's how much they love
That's
you.
incredible.
That's the appreciation that they showed this poor guy. that poor guy. You have some more?
Half eaten. Oh my God. Another one. So this person said, my uncle bought this cute plastic tree for decoration, right? For my grandmom, at a novelty store. But in actuality, it was actually a giant butt plug in the shape of a Christmas tree with ridges. And she opened it in front of the kids, and everybody almost died.
Hold on, Grandma opened up a butt plug in front of everyone,
and everybody died.
You don't know what Granny's into, bro. Granny might be like, it's gonna get merry, jolly, lolly in this fucker Christmas.
Aye.
Can you imagine your grandma opening that? It might. Maybe she got a heart attack. Pause for the butt plug.
Aye.
All right, I have one. All right, this one. What's the worst Christmas gift you've received? Divorce papers.
Oh no! Oh my God! Oh God!
It's the same guy that got her the blender. Next Christmas, she's like, you expect another Rolex?
Oh God!
Open this shit up. Divorce papers.
Oh
Okay.
God!
What's the worst Christmas gift you've received? An abacus from my dad when I was 10. Yes, I'm Asian. You know what an abacus is?
A calculator.
A medieval calculator. I remember having to make that shit in grade 5, grade 6 as a presentation, as for school. You know, use it. That's how you learn to count. Have you made one before?
I don't think so. I don't remember what exactly it is.
You don't remember? Okay.
Yeah.
So it's an abacus is like it's a square thing, right? Square.
Yeah.
It's written. Daniel, see if you can project one for the people, because I don't think anyone born after 2000 will know what an abacus is.
Definitely
and
not.
you have like 4 lines on it, and you have like some beads on it, so you can move it. So you have like tens.
Yeah, man.
1, 2, 3, and you can count off to use and
Yeah,
help with
man.
your calculations
You know,
and your math and stuff.
I have a confession.
What?
I used to see them and I didn't know what to do with them. Till this day, I don't know how they work.
I can't remember how they work, but they work.
I'm the worst at math. I'm the worst at math.
That was the calculator before there was a calculator. Before you could use your phone in
And
an
you know,
exam.
it's very funny. I'm bad at math, but I'm good at equations, like scientific equations.
Okay.
But I'm bad at math, honestly. I don't know. When I see numbers, I get crazy.
I'm alright at math, but I still don't like it.
It's tough. It's not. I don't know if it's for me.
Fuck maths. You don't
I
need
don't know if
it.
it's for me.
You have a calculator now. Life has gotten much better. All right.
Let me give you one.
Go for it.
So worst gift I've ever gotten for Christmas. I was given a second-hand home foot spa from a friend who, quote, said, "It just needs a bit of cleaning."
So they didn't even clean.
They didn't clean it.
And
A foot spa.
Okay, tell me if I gave you that, you would literally have the worst gift. Imagine if that's some person has
That might be the worst gift, yeah.
Bro, I can't even put my foot in a shoes that someone has worn.
No. My heart doesn't sit well with that.
Much less something where it's been
No,
soaking
Rasta,
and
fire.
all those germs have been festering
Oh
in
my
the spa.
God. Fire.
All that athlete's foot is in it.
Fire. Ah.
Yeah, so people, tell me your friend. Show me your friends and I'll tell you who you are.
Oh God.
Okay. What's the worst Christmas gift you've received?
Yeah.
Pregnancy test.
A pregnancy test. Why would you give somebody a pregnancy test?
Honey, Merry Christmas. We're having a baby. I don't think I could deal with it. I don't think I could deal with it. Okay. This one. What's the worst Christmas gift you've ever gotten? Herpes.
Oh shit. Wrap it up, guys. Wrap it up.
Use protection.
Wrap it up.
Use protection. Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry
you
Christmas.
filthy animal.
Ay.
Okay, next one. This one's from a kid. What's the worst Christmas gift you've gotten? My first period.
Oh. Welcome to womanhood.
Yeah, but at Christmas time, I don't think anyone wants that.
No, and another reason it might happen because when that happens for the first time, girls it's kind of embarrassing for them.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be because it's something
Definitely.
natural. It should never be. But
There's nothing embarrassing about it, but
you know,
first time, especially
first
imagine
time,
at
yeah.
a family dinner.
Exactly, and it happens to you. I don't think.
And
But it comes when it comes. You can't choose.
yeah, being
Yeah,
in
you know.
pain for our entire Christmas, especially as
Especially
11,
for the first
12
time.
year old,
Yeah, exactly.
you want to
yeah.
be opening gifts and you're in your room holding your stomach, not
Exactly,
knowing
yeah.
how to deal with it. Fine.
Let me give you one. Worst Christmas gift I've ever received. My grandma. What's it with grandmas and grandpas?
The grandmas,
What's it with
they
them?
give you gifts that are dated and that they think you want because they don't know.
Aye.
Grandmas out there, money is the best gift. I don't have one.
Oy.
But if you're a grandma and you want to get someone a gift, get them money.
Money never fails. Money never fails.
A card with some money in it.
Yeah, as kids we love that. Oh my God.
Granny, that's
That's that's another before I go to this one. That's another worst gift as a kid. Getting a card, Merry Christmas, saying all the nice things, and when you open the card,
no money.
there's no money.
Because that's what you expect.
That's what you expect. Yeah.
Grandmas were designed to give money for Christmas. You can't
Really?
Yes, they can't take it with them to the grave. Give it to the grandkids. Fuck you doing with it? You can't take it with you to the grave. Give them the
God.
money. Grandmas, don't be stingy. You're close to the grave. Give out the money. Piece by piece.
Let me read this one. So it says, my grandma would buy my sister and I really big underwear from the time we were teenagers.
Okay.
We always wore them when we visited her because she would ask about them and even make you put them over your pants to show her. The last time she made me show her, I was 38.
What? What? Okay. Now, as a 38-year-old man, if you can sit down your
God.
grandma and speak to her and tell her, Grandma, I'm not Superman.
Yeah,
I
Granny,
don't wear my
no.
boxers outside.
Granny, no. Granny, no.
Respect me.
Come on, Granny, man.
Imagine you taking your girl home, right?
Yeah.
And your grandma got your underwear. And I know grandma is not getting you no Ains or no Calvin Klein. It's gonna be some tidy whities.
Tidy whities.
And she's like, Tonio, you gotta put them on. Let me see how they look on you. Let me see how your booty looks. I can't picture that. All right, next one. Worst Christmas gift ever: a bottle of Jack Daniels. I'm an alcoholic in recovery.
Oh no.
This one was them taking a piss.
Yeah, how can you do that? No, you don't do that.
Guys, respect people's sobrieties.
Exactly. That's very bad. That might be the worst gift I've heard so far.
That gift, worse than herpes? What's worse than fucking herpes? Worse than herpes? No. I think, you know what?
It's worse. It's worse on many levels. You know why?
Why?
If you value me as a person, as a friend, you know, and you know I'm recovering from alcoholism, how would it even cross your mind to give me more alcohol?
All right. I can see someone getting an alcoholic, more alcohol.
Yeah.
Because imagine if we're friends and we're always going out drinking and doing stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then for a period of time we haven't seen each other, and then I've decided, I'm going to accept my sobriety and take it seriously and stop drinking.
Yeah.
They can just give you a bottle of alcohol because alcohol is a great gift.
But for alcoholic?
Not for an alcoholic, but I'm saying it's like you don't know what to get this person, you get them their favorite drink. You get them They like whiskey, you get them a bottle of whiskey. They like rum, you get them a bottle of rum. They like wine, you get them a bottle of wine, and it's thoughtful.
It works.
And it's something that you know they'll appreciate.
Yeah.
So I can see how someone will do that. But if they do it deliberately, then that's where shit goes wrong. And I see also another case where this guy used to be the life of the party, but now you stop drinking and everyone's bored, and we need to bring fun to Neil back.
No. Then you're not my friend. You love my fun, you don't love me.
As I said, worst Christmas gift. Didn't say best friend gift.
True.
Best friend gift. Right, next one.
Give us some more.
Okay. Worst Christmas gift ever. A gift card from a gas station with no credit on it. I was told it had $100 on it, and went to get gas, and the card was empty.
Oh,
imagine stranded. Imagine if you had no other money except that.
That hurts. Oh my God.
Okay. Worst Christmas gift I've received: a mason jar full of mixed nuts, of which I'm allergic to, and they knew I was allergic to them. This one is just a big fuck you.
It is.
This one is just a big fuck you.
It is.
Okay, next one. Worst Christmas gift I've ever received: a distant relative sent me a year-long subscription for some teenage Christian magazine when I was 12 or 13.
Teenage what?
Teenage Christian magazine when I was 12 or 13. Thanks, but no thanks.
You know what I heard?
What?
I heard Playboy.
How can you hear Playboy?
I don't know.
Get your mind out of the gutter. You need a Christian teenage magazine. Get your mind out of the freaking gutter.
Oh my God. I don't know. I heard Playboy.
How did
I don't know.
You know what? We're going to listen to the audio back. And if I had said Playboy, I need help. But if you heard Playboy and I didn't say you need help.
Oh my God.
All right. This one is one that hits me to the core as well.
Yeah.
Worst Christmas gift you've ever received: a donation to a charity in my name, to a charity I've never heard of and probably wouldn't have donated to in the first place. I have my two set charities, and this person knows that. It wasn't anything politically motivated. I think they just wanted to make multiple donations and didn't want to keep putting in their name. And yes, this was given to me as a present, a card that said a donation was made in my name to the organization. So someone made a charitable donation in someone's name.
I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that one. That's not. But I don't know how I feel about that one. Honestly,
For me,
I have mixed feelings. Yeah, I don't know how I feel.
for me, if don't make the donation in my name, because when I donate to charity, or if I donate to charity, I never put my name.
Yeah, I love to give anonymously.
Yeah. Give me the money. If I want to donate it, I'll donate it. If I want to donate it, and especially to a charity that I don't believe in. Let's.
Yeah, that's another problem too.
That's the worst thing. Imagine if someone donated to like a political movement or party in your name that you don't like, or that you
or you don't necessarily share the same ideas of this political party.
Yeah, or a religion or something like that.
Yeah.
Because there are certain charities that I believe in, but there are certain charities that I would never put money in.
I get you. I understand. Yeah.
Because those are.
I see where you mean.
Those are money making schemes.
Mm.
You know what a lot of rich people do when they die?
Yeah.
And when you hear these rich people saying, "Oh, I'm not leaving my money to my kids. I'm leaving it all to charity."
Lies.
The charity is for tax purposes. No, the charity is run by their family members, and they can access that money without paying taxes.
Listen.
And the charity pays for their lifestyle.
Listen, there is no rich person on the face of this earth that's giving away their money. They're the ones who believe in generational wealth.
Facts.
They want their money to go on to their family, and their family make money. They will never give this away. Don't be fooled.
If they did believe in it, like,
yeah, exactly.
we wouldn't have world hunger. People wouldn't be freaking hungry.
Exactly.
We'd be all set. We'll be all set. That's it for mine, bro. Do you have any? Do you have any more?
Yeah, man. So, because we listen to you guys on social media,
Oh shit!
we actually took some from social media, right? So this is what some people shared with me
I think
on my Instagram. So I was wondering if I should say their usernames. I won't.
Don't say that.
I'll say them anonymously. So this person said, so worst gift I've ever gotten for Christmas, a breakup letter in the form of a present.
So they gift wrapped this breakup letter.
They did. They put it in a box. They wrapped it nicely.
Oh,
Put the person's name on it.
Oh, baby,
And when
that's
you open
so
it,
sweet.
It's over.
Pink slip.
Pink slip.
Pink slip.
Another one. Somebody says they received, so worst gift I've ever gotten for Christmas from social media. They received a book.
I don't think.
I don't read.
Oh.
They got a book, but they don't read.
Okay, it depends on the book.
Yeah.
Like, I don't think a book is necessarily a bad gift, but if a person doesn't read, giving them a book, I can see where they'll like it. But
Yeah.
book is always another safe gift choice. Like, read something. Like, reading never hurt anybody.
No, it doesn't.
Depends on what you read, but it depends on what you read. But
Let me read another one.
Yeah.
I got my first electric shaver when I was 14. It was a Panasonic $10 shaver. It ripped my skin off when I used it.
14. Oh, maybe they weren't using it right though.
But how can you give a shaver to a 14-year-old?
14 is some guys have testosterone level. They start growing beard.
What happened to the barber?
Not
to the barber.
I think not because I can't grow one. I understand the struggles. I understand the struggles.
Do you?
I understand
Do you, Davin?
I understand the struggles. I understand the struggles. I understand the struggles.
What you need to do is buy a razor. You know what they would do in Jamaica? When for example, your first hair would come here, like here or here. Yeah. Your cousins. My cousin did this to me. Nicholas did this to me. He just took it off.
Really?
I pulled it. That's what they do, and they say after that it will grow. Or
bro, I've been doing that.
somebody has to do it for you.
Somebody has to do it for
Has
me.
anybody done it for you?
No, I just go to the barber and they shave me.
No, somebody has to pick it.
Oh,
somebody has to pick it.
Okay.
Another thing that people would do in Jamaica is they would buy a brand new razor, they would open it, and they would rub the razor on your face where you want the beard to grow.
Bro, I've been doing that.
Did somebody do it to you?
Oh, my barber does it every time. Every time my barber makes me feel like a man when he's shaving me. He's like, he just rubs the shear hair, but I'm like, he doesn't even charge me for the beard. He just does it to make me feel better about myself.
Aye.
He just does it to make me feel better about myself.
Let me read another one from social media.
From Instagram post?
From the Instagram post. All right, so I see.
Which one is that? Which one is that?
Somebody said, pum pum.
Ladies,
Pum pum.
pom pom is not a gift.
It's not a gift.
Pum pum is
Explain
not.
to them. Explain to them. So. In Jamaica, we find the time to find lovely names. You know, all these lovely names.
I think everyone knows what pom pom is, bro.
For the
female genitalia.
The female genitalia. You know, we call it pum pum.
Chocho.
Call it punash.
Tuna. Tun.
Pig toe.
Punani. I know that one there.
And there's a million more.
A million more. Comments. No, we don't want their comments.
No. Please.
But it's facts, bro. Pum pum is not a Christmas.
No,
gift.
that should never be a gift.
I think that's the worst gift I've ever received.
Don't give that. Yeah. Well, was it good at least? Hopefully.
All right. The thing with that is,
Yeah.
it shows that you put no thought into it. Like,
Yeah, exactly.
I can't be giving you a Rolex and you give me the same thing that I've been having all year.
No.
And you know, when they buy the lingerie, I appreciate it. And you put all that stuff, but that's not a gift.
That's mine.
That's not a gift. Okay, next when it comes to your birthday, I'm gonna buy a nice pair of boxers and say, baby, unwrap me. Unwrap me, baby.
Brr, fire burn. Fire burn you.
Unwrap me. Pum pum is not a gift, bro.
No, it should never be.
Pum pum is
It
not a
should
gift.
never
At
be.
least give a card with the pum. Pum pum is not a gift.
Aye.
Pum pum is not a gift unless you never get it before.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
if you have a boyfriend and
That's mine. It's not a gift. That's
it's not
mine.
a gift, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
what's gonna be different now? We've been together 10 years, and it's our anniversary, baby. I got you your favorite thing.
I believe that should be complimentary, meaning you give me a gift along with the pum pum. You know, you don't just give me the pum pum. No. No.
Don't just spread out the pum pum.
No, give me. It should be complimentary. It shouldn't only be the you know.
It's not the main prize there.
It's not, no.
Because no woman, I don't think I can go to a woman and be like, here's some dick. Happy birthday.
No, they would leave.
Here, hey baby. I got you some lollipops.
All right, let's hear some more from social media. So, somebody said a box of cornflakes.
No. We're adults.
A box of cornflakes.
We're adults. Yeah. But if someone can get me a box of the cornflakes from Jamaica, that would be a fucking good.
Which
deal.
one?
I think the Alaska one.
The one with the cock?
No, pause. But you just hear me say, pum pum and body and a gift, dog.
Aye. All right. Another one. So, at 10, I got a set of pajamas with cows on it, right? Mm-hmm. I opened it in front of the family. Everybody was cheering me on. They said, wow, it looked nice and you should try it. And I tried it on, right? Mm. And then I tried it on. They loved it. They gave me praises, whatever. And then my cousins, they got Nerf weapons and helicopters and cars.
No, that's
trauma.
That's horrible. Like immediately you've conditioned this kid to know you're not as loved. We don't love you. We don't care about you.
That's rough.
We want you to be in bed while they're playing.
That's rough.
No kid wants to go through that. That's the next thing. Like when you have kids, like you have to be equitable with the gifts. You can't just be giving one a PlayStation and then one something else.
Yeah, exactly. Imagine having to open. The thing is, as kids, you know, we look at these things.
Yeah.
I got a pair of pajamas And then I look at my cousins opening gifts, like other better gifts like Nerf toys, water guns, all of that stuff. That hurts you.
It
You
breeds
feel you
resentment.
feel it really pierces you. You feel like you're not valued as a kid.
Yeah.
You know?
It
hurts.
It breeds a lot of resentment.
It does breed resentment.
And when you look, and these,
Yeah.
I know, like we always say, material things don't matter much, but to a child,
It does. It definitely
these
does.
help to build those core memories. That's what they're gonna remember. They're gonna remember. They're not gonna remember the Christmas everyone got a PlayStation 5. They're gonna remember the Christmas where Johnny and Mary got a PlayStation 5 and a new Barbie doll or whatever frick they got, and I got pajamas. That's what they're gonna remember.
Yeah.
That's what they're gonna carry on with them for the rest of their lives.
Rough.
So
It's rough.
be fair with the gifts out there, parents. Please, we're begging you. Like even if you love one kid more than the next,
Yeah.
don't give them different gifts.
No, you have to be equitable with the gifts.
Do you think parents can love kids equally?
I think no, because every kid, they try to, but every kid is different. Every kid has different personality. For example, every kid has different what's the word? That's another thing with me. I keep forgetting
Personalities or
how demeanor. For example, that's another thing with me. I keep forgetting how to say things in English. I've been here for too long. I've been speaking Spanish. I nearly said like forma de ser.
Forma de ser.
Which is like how you are, like your demeanor, you know? Like each kid has a different, line of that, you know? And depending on what they carry or what each kid has, you might love one more because of this, or I won't say you love the other less because, but you kind of favor kids when it comes to that. I think parents have a battle when it comes to that.
I think parents love some kids more than some. They will never say, "Oh, I love you more. I love your sister more. Or I love your brother more." But you can tell. You can tell who's the favorite.
But as a kid, can you?
Yes, you can. You pick up on that, bro.
When you get older, maybe.
I was the favorite for my dad, and I knew that.
Be careful, David. Your family's listening.
Yeah, they know that.
They know.
They know that. It's no secret. It's no secret.
Yeah.
It's no secret. I was my dad's favorite. I probably still am my dad's favorite.
Yeah.
That's no secret, bro. So I actually picked up on that. My brothers picked up on that. My sisters picked up on that. And we have had conversations about this as well. And it's like, it's not like he doesn't love them. It's just that we had a different relationship.
Well, that's another factor too. Because you can have a different relationship with each kid.
Yeah.
Just like having a different relationship with each parent.
Yeah.
It can. It goes to the same breath as your parents.
Yeah, because you have a favorite parent.
In the end, we always do.
Who's your favorite parent?
Don't drive me out. Don't drive me out, David. I love mom and dad equally. Reason being is that each of them, I take different things from them, so I love this in my mom, I don't like this in my dad. I love this in my dad, I don't like this in my mom, so at the end of the day, I think I would say I love them equally.
I don't think you can love anyone equally.
What do you mean? No.
Anyone.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Doesn't matter.
I love them in a different way.
No, but equally
Each
means
one.
that means they have 10 out of 10 love for each.
No.
You can't.
I love them in different ways.
You love them in different ways, but if you were to grade it out of 10, would you be able to say I love dad 10 out of 10 and I love my mom 10 out of 10?
I don't think so. But I love them.
Yeah, but deep down that you love one more than the next. You have a better relationship with one more. One gets you more.
Maybe.
It's fat, bro. Like
one thing I know.
It's just my take. I don't think I can love two people the same.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's not possible.
Yeah.
One thing though with the two of them, they always make me laugh. I don't know.
Yeah.
Like they always make me laugh.
Maybe we should bring them on the podcast.
My dad is a clown. He's a joker.
Yeah. Yeah. Gimmicks.
Gimmicks man.
Sucks. Bad. Yeah. But they're back home, and you know what I heard back home about Celine Dion. Not really even at Jamaica.
Yeah, going to yard news. This is not exactly Jamaican news, but it's news for my mom.
No, it's
and
news
my
for me.
aunties.
Celine, I still listen to Celine Dion, bro.
Every Jamaican can attest to their mom
I feel
listening to Celine Dion songs back to back to back to back to back.
Celine Dion on a Sunday.
It's
It's deep in the soul, right here. Celine Dion.
Yeah, we all grew up listening to Celine Dion.
Get well soon.
Honestly,
I hope.
you know, I think I read something that her middle name was something like Jackie.
Probably Jacqueline.
Jacqueline, something like that was her middle name.
I
think that explains why Jamaican moms love Celine Dion, because she has a name that they can relate to, maybe.
She's the one that sings "Unbreak My Heart." No, who's that?
Is
that Whitney?
Cyndi Lauper.
Cyndi Lauper sings that?
Yeah.
I love that song too. It's amazing how we like Celine Dion.
He's lying. He didn't listen to Celine Dion.
Bro.
He just proved to us that he doesn't listen to Celine Dion.
You know how I am with music anyway. Everyone knows how I am with music. But Celine Dion, get well soon. I hope things work out. But
yeah.
It's one of the few concerts that I would love to go to.
I would love to see her.
But
I know if I brought my mom wouldn't leave the venue. She would cry. She'd burst into tears, honestly.
100% cry.
Definitely.
100% cry. But guys, I think that's it for the holidays.
Yeah.
This is the last episode for the year.
Yeah.
We've been through a lot. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the time. We're looking for that Christmas. As I said, the worst Christmas gift you can give me is not to subscribe. Subscribe, please.
Facts.
Subscribe. I'm not going to tell you to do anything else. One simple instructions. Anyone that's listening has a decent level IQ, subscribe.
Let's stop right now. Let's look at them.
Yeah, I feel like you're like showing your face.
We're not saying anything else until you subscribe.
Sorry for the Spotify listeners, but moment of silence for subscriptions.
Okay, good.
There we go.
Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for subscribing, turning on the notifications.
Thank you.
I hope you have a wonderful holidays. If you don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays to you.
Yeah.
We'll be back with another episode in the new year. We'll be talking about some New Year's resolutions. We'll be coming back with some new segments. I think we like this confession segment.
I do. I loved it. Yeah.
You like the confession segment.
And you know you liked it too, yeah.
Of course they loved it. People love hearing other people's confessions. Why do you think people become priests? A priest doesn't become a priest because he wants to give up sex. He becomes a priest because he wants to hear people's business. He wants to know all the secrets that's going on in town. So, thank you so much. Happy holidays. Thank you for tuning in to the Yardman Podcast. We out.
Yardman Podcast are the one. Yardman Podcast are the one. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast.
Subscribe now. We out.